Chitariki ni 15 nemo mutinyu mutang'ani umwaka bw'echirubu ibere ne 2025 no kwegena kwanu mwanchu murigererio Getembe TV no gendete kwegokia wetera emeroberio egendete kugochera asembeo asebono ngo kwarigania asemesa ya magana maya EKEONGA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE andonsi asore rinde tonyare kurigereria narari abariki betu bamang'ana babiri gokoretera korwa ase chingongo ao chense amaretane njuli KERUBO orio kwene kyabona chibicha neryo gingo wikira chirase nchira yo wikirano nigakorokwa Abigail Nyanchama boigorio resensemo yebimanyererio Wilson Makori. Abariki bamang'ana maya korwa sensemeri ya Nyamira na Kisii nigo bono bagendete konyora amaegerio kwetera ase ekiombe kia Witness Protection Agency eyere asomochi obosongo chinsemo chiri chia Nyankongo muna enchera eyemo yo muna gati ya bari bakwaneire inkige kogera abasaiti babonete korendwa nigo abariki beito bamang'ana maya ase ensemeri ya Getembe TV na radio baba bagwikirana ase ensemeyo.
Even this stealing, and we don't take somebody who are stolen, but we take the thief. But entirely we are targeting organized crime so that we end up in impunity. Remember what happened in Getembe, where criminals come and massacre the entire village. Remember? Yes. At that level we come in, we end up in impunity. We get to know the gist of the matter, what happened. You heard of our witnesses use pseudonyms. Napata witness anatoka PW2, PW4. Tumeona hiyo kotini. But kwa sababu hiyo ni common, sometimes we go extra mile so that we don't want to arrest.
Tugotigana na yoto semo ya Nyamira County ni gobone serikali ya County ya Nyamira yaborire serikali ya County ya Nyamira kwango ya oborosi bw'inyagitari erese ward ya Rigoma ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba esengencho nigo nyagitari yugo saba menyi bensemeyo barereire ogokonga kubogima kubora gokonywa ase nyagitari yo esaba menyi abange batumire nyagitari yo muna etundubari
yongo nyagitari nerigeiga lakini yani gokoranga nturukana rosana katimori bono na chirigeiga yaikera nirenga kere nyagitari yagachitu tu abantu bangenterwaro talinga abantu bache kurwari boro abantu bekinyurike igo babwata obokong obanene njigo narukurio manga mungu kwetera rero mu abagambi baite babeke barasaga iga abantu baitiruga babere bono ebiye kororekana ngande baguitu asenye gitariere enyagitari yusi yabekere tuoro ngentoki etokuboria abagambi baite batatabinga kino no yoro bono gatigere tubuna bakonya kohererania magoko erenki akorire ekere gutenga biyonsi bimbigenderete enyagitari getagu kwapa naribo na chitaga soro rokururita ngani yange baka the late nyakarama bono twamanyire goikera kanya gitari yagache tutokarura bujafani kere twale kwenda saa tambe tutaikonyole obokonyi bwo kurwarirwa kere nyagitari yeito yagache tukaremanga nintu bono twanyorire ntokonyeke yaonjo kirukuru okonyeka nyagitari ikuru yabegetwe abanyagitari barekana muri okabona abaminto bateba they have never bana kororekana na inde nonyandimo iya wiyari to chandegete to bwata bagotwa sinyomba to abere to kurangirisa na kero to rucha banyagitari rimo togatebunga officially kwere ndore ngororo umugabana nyagarama nache kuyigoro officially tachi gocha igaikira bakagasira abandi bagasoerorora ubarobo niganya libonware and the disesa MCA utwana komorora things are failing ikiagera none twabaro
Maega ya matemo alia manene yo mwako etagosoki wabo igo umuske Julius Ogamba uyoro mu waziri w'ekisemi otebabuna na chiko ene kyabuna amatemo na koruga tigati yo mwaka nigo bono ryuko ryasokiriwe erurigo kwanira muna aborokiwa bali banyorete grade ketae baire tase university boigo bali bataisana getine grade keri banyorete koirana na gokora matemo gatigati yo mwaka no nabo ni gatebabuna bachikubeka chi computer gosabana kosomera online boigo bali babwato barema bachikoreteru ebintu baranyare gutumia. Maiga ye Controller of Budget Margaret Nyakango gukwanira buna na chigoteneni chibasari echo chikwana Nwase County nigo bona aboroki abange balibe secondary university ne college gose balibativate babolirwe guchikoligi chinchira chinde eri baranyare kogendereri ne chisemi chiabo.
Article 185.2 and 186.1 and 187.2. The roles of the national government are the following. Now, in education policy standards, curricula, examinations and granting of university charters. The other one is universities, tertiary educational institutions and other institutions of research, and higher learning and primary schools, special education, secondary schools and special education institutions. If you have listened very carefully, there is no issue where it speaks about issuance of bursaries. It doesn't. Because this is not a function that is envisaged in Schedule 4 of the Constitution. It is not assigned to any level of government.
Bursary is a social support. And I don't think there is any child in this country that can be denied access to education. There is no child that belongs to the national government or county government. These are Kenyan children. And the law doesn't tell us, okay, so this child at preschool is a county government child. This child at this level is a national government child. And that is why the question of bursary is not anchored anywhere in law. There is also no law that says that in the Constitution that bursary, there is a bursary for national government and a bursary for the county government. There is no law that speaks into that.
When we made a budget, the first person who must approve our budget is the Controller of Budget. As we are speaking, in almost every county, there is an allocation for bursaries, which she approved in July. So, what is this that has suddenly come up after she has approved budgets, and she now requires that the Nyeri as a county sits with the national government to sign participatory agreements for a function that has not been given to national government or to county governments? Because it is saying a need that has come up. For example,
nigo bono obotuko bogokira rero University ya Nairobi yabage kubwata umuriro gakwenekya engane yo Vice Chancellor bw'eskuru yo gose University yu Francis Mula nigaenekya gakorekyo bo asebono ekikirero umuriro yo gosamba itaraba kumanyikana.
The fire was intense and consumed the two structures, that is the senior common room and the Chancellor's parlor. We cannot speculate on the cause of the fire, but of course that place houses two restaurants, and they have kitchen, which normally would have cooking, basically cooking facilities, and cooking is normally done by fire, so we cannot speculate, but the presence of the two kitchens could have also, of course, contributed. But there are government agencies that do that. We have informed them, and once they come, they will commence and will be able basically to assess the damage. Of course, there is structural damage. It was aggravated by the carpets, on the floor, and then of course the ceiling. All of those are wooden structures which basically were consumed by the fire and basically could have contributed to the acceleration. And as I said, these are very old structures.
Humanchu murigereria ayuna yandi no chikonyanyora ke koraga CHINSA 10 amaretana njuli KERUBO norione kemna chibi chanerio gingo wikira chira senchira yo wikirano niga inkoroka Abigail Nyanchama waigorio ingesense moye bimanyererio Wilson Makori nakoganeirie oburigereria obuya.